Lighting. That's what you see here. If I raise up to the dashboard, that's what it looks like. And then when you look outside.
Wow.
We're at the airport and I couldn't film everything, and there we go, getting on out of here. Exiting is a lot of fun as entering. When you enter, you see this beautiful sign. Wouldn't you want to see an exit sign as well? The question is, how do I sound in the car holding the Luna in hand? Do I sound as good as any other camera? I don't know until I get home and watch it on a video editor. I find the lithium battery recharger real funny. It was all the way up there. It just went straight down. What do we got up ahead? Man, we're just moving smoothly. Racing to a stop sign. Alright, we have an accident like right here, and we'll get moving. Right on film. So yeah, does it pay to speed to look like this? Does it pay to speed and look like that? We got some fire engines. Probably were to the scene.